If you are seeing this video, then just know that this video is for you. For educational purpose, you're looking into starting your own content creation, starting your own business, you need a microphone, you need a camera, then this video is for you. Watch out. I was trying to get a microphone, and then after I got the microphone, I was looking for a way to connect it. A lot of videos online, but they are not telling you the main thing. They are not showing you how to do this connection properly. Please know that this is not one of those paid promotional videos, those buy one and get one free. No, I'm just recommending this because I tried to get a microphone. I was searching. Although fine, I saw a lot of videos, but no, they won't tell you those things to do even after buying your microphone. They only tell you do this, do that, but they don't give you brief description on how to do those things. So yeah, if you're one of those people, then this video is for you. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe. I do want you to understand that if you're getting a camera, you should consider getting a microphone. It might not be the Shure, but I'm recommending this because it's a good microphone. And if you could hear me, you could hear me clearly, right? Now, so I've been searching for a video tutorial to connect my Shure MV7 Plus to my GoPro, but all to no avail. I tried to watch several videos on YouTube, but they are very complicated, I would say. So yeah, you've got your camera, you've got your microphone, and you're wondering how to connect it. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your microphone to your camera easily without stressing and thinking too much. There are a lot of videos on YouTube describing how to connect your microphone. They're not going to specifically tell you your Shure MV7 Plus microphone. So I'm going to make this so simple and easy for you to do on your own. And mind you, you need a microphone. So you need a 3.5mm cable, and also you need a media mod for your microphone to display on your GoPro, either 10, 11, whatever GoPro you're using. You need a media mod. You also need to connect the Shure MV7 Type-C directly to the Shure MV7, and then attach the 3.5mm cable behind it, just like this. You can see that this is the 3.5mm and this is the Type-C. This Type-C should go to the device where you could control your microphone, either your computer, your laptop, your MacBook, any of them. And if you're asking yourself, why do you need a microphone to go along with your camera? Trust me, you don't want to know how it sounds without no microphone. Okay, I'm going to be taking out my 3.5mm cable, and then I'm going to speak directly to the to the camera, and you tell me how that sounds. Yeah. So yeah, I just took 3.5mm cable out. This cable allows me to connect my camera to my microphone. Now, if you could hear the sound from previous, far more better for the camera attached to the microphone. You're going to have a good quality voice. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug back this on the microphone. All you have to do is purchase a 3.5mm auxiliary cable, and then you plug it at the back of your Shure MV7 Plus mic, and then you plug it directly to the back of your media mod. If you feel like you learned something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you feel like you're having a trouble connected still, leave a comment and I'll give you a step-by-step direction on how to do this, because it took me a couple of times. It took me on my own to actually figure out that I need a 3.5mm wire to connect on my Shure MV7 Plus and then back to my camera for me to get a good quality voice record. Also, wanting me to do a review of the Shure MV7 Plus for your better understanding, all you have to do is just leave a comment. Thank you. Peace.